Alright, to check it. Got the advice whisperer here back in the house. Anyway, I just wanted to shoot a video out to Queen Bee and our friends and tell them, say, yeah man, I'm glad you guys enjoy watching the videos because we make them the people for watch and enjoy. I'm glad you laugh at them because these videos are supposed to be stupid, you know, because obviously me not a advice whisperer or nothing, you know, just another idiot on the internet, you know. But you know, me love the fact that somebody watch it at least. That way me not feel like a big old dumbass just sitting here just talking to myself on the camera, you know what I'm saying? Although me do look pretty good on camera, you know, me not gonna complain. I'm a good looking nigga, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, me hit you back on your Twitter, me answer your question for you. Why don't you tell your friends on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube and all them things that if you come check out my video, man, they might find some really good advice in there. Especially if you have any friends who, you know, don't have the kind of confidence, because I is a confident nigga. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. Man, if you knew me in real life, you wouldn't believe. Ask my friends. Anyway, still though, I hope everybody had a good new year. My advice today would be, if you make yourself a new year me can't even talk, man. Shit, my tongue tied today. Alright, me go back. me go back again, alright? If you make yourself a New Year's resolution, it's what me say to you. Fuck that shit, man. Because every time you say you're going to do something like that, everybody knows the New Year revolution no work. I mean, me used to make them stupid, you know, oh yeah man, me I gonna do this, you know, next year, me gonna do this next year, and me gonna make thousands of dollars next year and millions of dollars a year after that. But please, Jesus Christ, please. Like me know, I'm sure many other people know, New Year's resolutions don't work. So my advice is, don't say you're going to do it, just do it. If you say you're going to do something for your New Year's resolution, your body going to tell you not to do it. Your mind going to say no, do it. Because what we always do, we do things what people say we not to do, and we don't do things we're supposed to do, right? So do the opposite. So don't say, you know, yeah man, this year I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. Just go out there and do it, man. Whatever your New Year's resolution was gonna be, just go out there and do it. Is it like how me? You know, me kind of one of them, what do you call it? I don't know if you say. Me kind of easy going, you know, down to earth. I mean, me have my own problems and all them things, you know, and all them shit there. Me not perfect, but God knows me wish me was, you know. But me kind of easy going. I mean, I really worry about life too much because life always seems to work out just fine for me, you know. Because first of all, I'm a Jamaican, so you know me got like 20 jobs. I'm just kidding, me not a job. I write books, me sell shit on eBay, you know what I'm saying, surf Craigslist. You know, that's the shit me do all day. Sit around typing up stuff on eBay for porno and all them things. When I sell comic books and all that shit. Me supposed to be working on my next book. Ain't touch the fucking book in weeks. Even though me have the ideas, me not touch the book. Me haven't even read a book in weeks. Not even my own, you know. School start what? Right before me go on vacation. That's right. 4 nights in beautiful Jamaica. Man, I'm gonna have a good time drinking some white rum and eating some fucking jerk pork. And just chilling by the fucking pool and just watching the bitches walk by. Man, shit, you just don't know. But just because me not do nothing with my life don't mean me not happy. Because, you know, truthfully, me is actually quite qualified for a lot of things. Me have a lot of experience under my belt in more ways than one. But me happy. Me have enough to live off of, you know. And me not like me go anywhere anytime soon. Me not gonna run out of money anytime soon and things like that. So me just sit back and do stupid shit like this. So my thing is, my New Year's resolution would have been to continue sitting back and doing nothing. You know what? It working. But I do a fucking thing, you know. But anyway, some of us out there actually trying to get a lot bit better in life. I myself personally trying to do, you know. That's what me doing all this stuff, you know. I mean, I to put the links on there if me don't want you to go in there and check out the things and buy the book. I mean, come on, man. I write 2 books already. 2 books. And you know what? People don't read that often anymore. So I don't write no thick ass book. Who the fuck want to read a 400-page book? Not me. I want a book where me pick up the book. Give me a idea. Book done. On to the next book. You see what I say? So that's my kind of book. But anyway, I'm just a silly ass nigga, man. Look me up on Twitter, look me up on Facebook. Well, you probably can't find me so easily on Facebook, but if you search, you will certainly find it. If you find this book, that's my picture on Facebook, then you can friend me. Anyway, matter of fact, if you see the name on the book, then you can find me. But yo man, check out my books, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy yourself this year, stay out of trouble, no fuck nobody else's wife, don't follow my tracks, you know, you're a troublemaker, you know. Anyway, stay out of trouble, buy my book, go up on my site, do some things, you know what I'm saying? Link up, send me an email to advicewhisperer@yahoo.com, link me up on Twitter, you know, at advicewhisperer.twitter or whatever the hell, you know, link up right there, send me an email through here. Hit me back with some comments, man. Give me some ideas. You know, I love to talk shit. That's just, I think that's what I like to do best, is to talk shit, you know. So that's why I say me doing this advice whispering thing, because truthfully, people not straight with people anymore. People like to do this whole bullshit shit, you know. This ain't no Oprah show, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give it to you straight. I'm gonna tell you the real deal, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna sugarcoat that shit for you. So if you have something you want me to say to you, I will make a personal one just for you. Well, and everybody else really, but you know, me give a shout out and me say, hey, this is for you. So I'm saying, give me some ideas, something you want to say, something you want me to talk about, because I mean, all kinds of stupid shit to talk about. I'm full of knowledge. I'm a quite the world traveler, you know what I'm saying? I've been to like 2 places. I just kidding, fuck that. Been to a lot of places, seen a lot of things, seen a lot of people, meet a lot of people, fuck a lot of people, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, me is just a simple Jamaican. AW out. Advice with